Hello, my name is Stephanie Dubon. I will be giving a presentation of the Tonga-Hunga IAP eruptions of 2022. This is a global volcanic event. Historical and geographic background. This eruption occurred on January 15 of 2022. The explosion was visible from space and heard in Alaska. The Asian plum reached 58 kilometers, 36 miles high, highest ever recorded by satellites. The shock wave was circled the Earth multiple times. On the right side of the picture, we can see the before and after of this volcano caused and damaged so many property. Overview of the eruption. The volcano was located on Kingdom of Tonga, South Pacific. The type of volcano this was a submarine underwater volcano. The background, a Tonga-Hunga Ayapi is part of a volcanic arc by the Pacific plates subductions beneath the Indigo Australian plates. A previous activity, intermittent eruptions in recent decades, but none close to the 2022 event scale. In the right side of the picture, we can see a clear visual of how the volcano was erupted and how the tsunami occurred. We can see that the volcano is underwater, and when it erupted, a tsunami was created. Tsunami impact. In Tonga, the wave was up to 15 meters, 49 feet. At least 4 confirmed death. As well, the tsunami not only did it give warning to Tonga, but across the Pacific, Japan, Chile, US, West Coast, New Zealand. In Peru, 2 fatalities, coastal environmental damage. In the right side of the pic, we see another visual of how the volcano erupted and how the tsunami was created. Compared to the other picture on the previous slide, we see between the two, we can compare between the two pictures and have a better understanding on how the volcano erupted and how the tsunami was created, having to destroy Tonga Island. Damage and aftermath. In the Tonga Island, home and infrastructures destroyed, undersea communication cables served, communication blacked out. The environmental effects, water contamination from ashfall, air quality hazard, potential long-term climate impacts. In the right side of the pictures, we can see the whole island is destroyed. We can see that this volcano, not only did it erupted, but having to create a tsunami which had to affect many people's lives and having to destroy so many property. Scientific and significance. This volcano was the largest volcanic eruption of the 21st century. Rare data provided: underwater eruption dynamic, volcanic tsunami, atmospheric wave behavior, a global impact, shockwave detected globally, new insight of volcanic and climate science. In the right side of the picture, we can see during these past couple years, during each year, how the volcano has formed during it disappeared. In 2014, Tonga and Ayape were first separated. In 2016, it managed and was able to create a volcano underwater. In 2022, when the whole eruption occurred, we can see smoke forming and having to create the eruption. In 2022 as well, that was after the eruption, we can see that like it disappeared. In conclusion, the eruption was both a natural disaster and scientific milestone, highlighted the vulnerability of islands, nations, and the importance of disaster preparedness, emphasizes the need of global cooperation in monitoring and response. In the bottom of the picture, we can see where each of those are located. The volcano, the Tonga, the Apa Island. We can see that they are very close by and how the volcano occurred. And we can have a conclusion on how we can prepare for another natural disaster that can occur in the future. Reference. This is my reference page where I got each of my information from. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something new today.